Sadikab, welcome back again. Today I have a very special episode that telling about the 2000 camera series, how to use the f lenses and CF lenses. Before I'm mounting my lens to the camera, I have to be check the body working properly or not. When compared to lens about the distance, the CF lenses, the closest is about for 3 feet and the f lens is 2 feet here. The maximum aperture is 2.8, the same. Anyone or user who use the CF lenses with the 2000 camera body should be set your shutter speed to be f mode. The camera will be used the shutter speed on the body, not used on the lens. Try the different shutter speed. Okay, 1 second. All right, 15 seconds. Okay, now it's worked properly. Technician design for when used with the 824 film back with the 120 film side. The advantage of the 2000 camera series is can be used with both the f lenses itself and the CF lenses that produced for the 500 series, but can be used on the 2000 camera series as well. I would like to inform that what difference between the closest range of the lenses at the same f-stops and the same shutter speed, even on the same roll of films. Why the 2000 camera series is one step up more higher performance than the 500 series because of the lens performance. To compare the same f-stop and the same shutter speed, the same roll of film, not just compare which one the best. Actually, just to inform that the both lens have their own performance that may fit your works, so you can make decision later so which one is good for you. At the closest range, at the 3 feet or 90 cm. Let's try the f lens on the f camera body. It's very easy to use the 2000 camera bodies. Okay, we'll try the closest range. Okay. Wow. I have to walk forward. It looks like a close-up. Another advantage of camera 2000 series or 200 series is very enjoyable with the high shutter speed 2.8 and 2000 shutter speed. Close at range. Okay, and then I will change the CF lens. Three feet here. Okay. And with the f lens, close at range, about less than 2 feet here. The same f-stop and shutter speed. Okay. Very interesting image. Nghe nôm nghe nôm nói. Okay. at a close-up range. Okay. 3 feet, 3000 shutter speed. Okay. Very close up. The light's about for 2.8 1000s and the distance about 6 feet. Okay. $1,000. Okay, 2.8. If you have the 2000 camera series, that's great for use with the both lens between the CF lenses and the left lenses. This is a very advantage of the 2000 camera or 200 camera series. Hope you enjoyable and get some information about the images or information from the 2000 camera series. Okay, see you next. Thank you, Benz Popran, who give me a very nice strap. Thank you so much. I much appreciate a lot. We have a very nice singer around here.ฮะหุยเห็นครับยิ้มหน่อยเฮ้ย โอเค5 คนนะเห็นไหมไปนั่งเลยป่ะทุกคนไปนั่งโอ้โหจิ้มเลนลงอีกตีเลยไปนั่งเลยไปขึ้นมานั่งนะโอเคเอานะเห็นทุกคนนะเอาละ โอเคทำหน้าตาเหมือนคนด้วยนั่งตรงนั้นเลยโอเคเดี๋ยวลุงเอารูปมาให้ดูโอเค1 2ยิ้มว้า